right, we're going in. We know we have a couple
good ones.
We have a couple left that we need in common and uncommon, but then we've got our eyes on a couple of rares and legendaries and epics and grails. So we'll see what comes up. But for right now, here's the 6 we have. And all right, bud.
It would be cool if we got one of the exact Ultra Girls that we were just talking about before we started the video.
That's true. All right, pick one out.
Okay.
What do you think? This one?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, boy.
Open.
This part never gets old.
No.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna do the Rubik's Cube thing. Where it moves. And then the little, I love when the little lock goes in.
Yeah.
Boom. And uncommon, evil-lyn. Cool. All right.
Yeah.
So check it out. Uncommon, evil-lyn. I know you sound like you were a little disappointed, Bob, but check it out. Look what's happening here. If we go back to our backpack here, and you'll see, look, we've got a common, uncommon, right? We've got a common, uncommon. So we're just filling it up little by little. Maybe we get everyone. Everyone. What do you think? I know we picked out our favorites, but maybe we just get them all.
Wait
a second. So what do you think, right? What if we get them all, huh?
Yeah. Wait, go
Cool.
to the backpack.
I'm in the backpack, babe.
I mean, where you can just see all the characters that you got.
Okay.
Let's count them all, and then count the cubes that we had.
Okay.
And
Well, there's 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, 6, 7. That's 28. There's 28 different kinds. Now, Daddy only has 20 cubes, but maybe we get some more. Maybe we could trade some, or we'll see how it works out. All right, so that's it, dude. So let's go back to our backpack and see here. Look at that collection. And look, so... And here's the thing. I just had an idea. I want to keep the evil-lyn, the originals, in the packaging. But maybe once we finish opening the cubes, we can use her to play with and open it up. See that? Cool. All right. Well, that's it for today. We're getting closer and closer with our collection.
How many more?
13 more to go. 13 to go. 13 more tries. Okay, let's tell everybody we'll see you guys tomorrow for the next unboxing.
Yes.
All right. I wonder what it's going to be. I can't wait.